Hello everybody, today we're making banana boats.
Banana boats? That sounds magical. Do you know what a banana boat is?
Yeah.
What is a banana boat? It's a campfire treat. So we're each going to start out with...
Campfire tree. This is our stuff.
Yeah, we're going to each start out with aluminum foil and a banana. Don't peel the banana, okay?
Okay.
Mommy is going to cut the banana in a very special way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top so it peels open that way. I'm going to cut yours too. So I'm going to cut.
And then I can peel it off.
We're not going to peel it off, but you can just open it like a door. See? Open. Don't peel it off because we're going to keep that piece on. Okay, let me get a little spoon. So,
my door is open.
your door is open. I'm going to spoon out the little bit of extra top of banana on mine and yours. Now, what we're going to do,
This is mine.
you can eat that if you want. We're going to shove marshmallows into our banana boat. You can rip them if you want.
I'm gonna whip them.
And then put it in your banana in the middle. Good job. And onto the sides like this. You just want to squeeze marshmallow in.
What do you want, baby girl?
We're going to do a shout out to...
I'm gonna do 2 of them.
Yeah, do you want more? We're going to try to shove more marshmallows in. We're going to do a shout out to swim staff of the mid-2000s.
I'm gonna try one.
Yeah, you can try one. They're not as good before you cook them, especially because we're using kosher marshmallows. Do you like it? Okay. So we're shoving in
You got tired of me already.
our marshmallows all around our banana boat. Then, after we shove in our marshmallows, we have to put... Well, do you know what goes really well with marshmallows?
Yeah.
What?
I know.
Chocolate!
Chocolate!
So we're going to take chocolate chips and shove it into our banana boat. Let me pour some chocolate chips for you. Okay. Can you shove some chocolate chips into this banana boat? All around. You are doing great. Now, while you're shoving all those chocolate chips in, I am gonna close up my banana boat and then I'll come and help you with yours. So,
I got it.
you got it?
Look, I got it.
Good job. Okay, then when we close our banana boat, we are going to wrap it up in the foil. Okay? So, wrap it up in the foil. Here, keep rolling.
Got it.
Good job. Now,
And Mommy's gonna put them on the ground.
now we're gonna close the grill and we're gonna wait for it to get all melty and gooey.
Now we're gonna flip it.
We're gonna check on, don't touch it, it's very hot. We're gonna check on these and we're gonna flip them. Flip. Flip. Okay, let's give it a couple more minutes.
Let's see if a banana boat's ready.
So don't touch Matt, no, Mr. Nolan.
Whoa,
It's so hot. Okay. Now we're gonna open them up and see what they look like. Ooey gooey messy.
Nice.
Looks ready.
Excited.
Don't touch, no. It's still hot.
This is a banana. And what people? Can I take a picture?
Let's see how it is. Make sure you get the banana too. You gotta dig all the way in there. Let's try it and see how it is. How is it?